Hi everyone, welcome to the Do It Yourself Trek series. In this series, we're talking about treks that you can do on your own without the help of any trekking organization. Today, we are talking about one such trek which has a very iconic steps that you would be climbing to reach a fort which is almost looks like it's hanging up high in the air. Speaking about this trek is Saini Krishnamurthy with us. She is an avid trekker from Mumbai who's done more than 200 treks in the Sahyadri region itself. Let's welcome Saini and speak about the Harihar Fort trek. Hi, Saini.
Hi, Vishnu.
Saini, this particular trek, every photo or every video that you see, there is this stair climbing, the steps that you climb reaching up to the summit itself, and it looks quite adventurous and thrilling as well. So, can you tell us how is it to go do the trek and climb this particular step?
So, Vishnu, you're absolutely right. When you think of Harihar, even if you've done many hundreds of treks, the one iconic image that comes to mind are those beautiful steps carved in rock, and they are almost vertical. So I would say they are at 80 degrees, and it's quite a thrill to climb them, and even more of a thrill to descend from those steps, because those are the only that's the only way to the top and then also back to land. So I think it's you, even if you've seen all the photos, it's a different feeling to actually climb up those stairs. Of course, you need both your hands and your legs completely active when you're climbing up these steps, because you don't want to just walk up these steps. You want to make sure your hands are also secure, and because you need that extra support, very ingeniously each step actually has tiny holds for your hands. So when you're climbing up the steps, you can keep holding on to the next step with your hands and your fingers, so that you're completely secure. So climbing up, I would say take one step at a time, go slow, and try not to look down again and again, because you might get discouraged if you do that.
Sounds like a very thrilling experience to just be climbing that steep. It's almost 80 degrees. That's quite a lot. Looks scary.
Yes.
And good that you mentioned that there are small holdings as well for trekkers to hold on to, and this ensures safety. Uh, Saini, my next question to you is about the two routes that are there to do this particular trek. And if you're traveling from Mumbai, which route would you take? And also, can you describe these routes a little for our viewers?
Harihar Fort has two trails. The first trail starts from the village called Nirgudpada, and the second trail starts from the village called Harshewadi. Now, if you're coming from Mumbai, the closest village to you would be Nirgudpada, and therefore it is most preferred by trekkers who are coming from Mumbai. If you're coming from Nashik side, of course, Harshewadi is closer for you. So many people who come from that area, like to climb via Harshewadi. From Nirgudpada, the trail, it starts in the beautiful village of Nirgudpada. It's a very pretty village, beautiful villagers. Everyone is very kind, very helpful. And once you cross the village, you come across a small stream. We cross that stream, and then the trek starts. The trek starts in a slightly forested trail, and you keep flitting in and out of the forest for a while, and then you reach the plateau after a while, and you keep wondering now where are those iconic steps, and you start walking on the plateau. It's a slightly flat walk once you reach the plateau, and then around the end of that the flat section, those steps start towering up ahead in front of you, and that's when the real climb is going to start. Thankfully, there is a small hut serving drinks and snacks just before the steps start, so that it's a great spot to prepare yourself mentally, take a little bit of a break, and then start the stairs section, the steps section, because you don't really want to take a lot of breaks when you're climbing up the steps. Once you climb up the first flight of steps, you think that this is it, it's getting over, but that's not the case. You enter through a small gateway, and then you take a turn, and another set of stairs starts from there. Those stairs are slightly less scary and slightly less exposed, but you still should proceed with caution nonetheless. After you negotiate those stairs, you reach the top of the fort. And from there you can see the highest part of the fort, and then the surrounding plateau, which has a few remnants, a few idols to see. And the top of the fort has a nice, beautiful flag. You can go sit there, enjoy the view of the surrounding region, and think about the steps that you've just climbed, because your heart must still be beating quite fast.
Wow, sounds like a very exciting trek, Seni. You also tell me that the views from the trek once you reach the top itself is quite good. So can you tell us what all you can see from the Harihar Fort?
So, Vishnu, you're absolutely right. Harihar Fort is in the Trembak region of Maharashtra, which is in Nashik. And it's a beautiful area and a beautiful region with a lot of known peaks and forts. You can see a few of them from top of Harihar Fort. The closest one is a fort called Bhaskargarh or Basgad. It's very close to Harihar, and you can see it right next to Harihar. The other peak that you see next to Harihar is called Utwad. You can climb up Utwad as well. Not a lot of people go there, but it's again a challenging, fun climb. The other fort that you see, which is also very famous, is Anjaneri. Anjaneri is also a religious place. There's a temple of Lord Hanuman there, and there are many steps that you climb up to reach Harihar, Anjaneri, but not as steep as Harihar. But Anjaneri also is a formidable fort, and you can see it from top of Harihar.
Sounds like an extremely exciting trek to do in the Western Ghats of Maharashtra, Seni. Thank you so much for coming on the show and speaking about the hanging trek, I would call it, hanging high up in the air, the Harihar Fort trek. There you go, guys. I was Seni Krishnamurthy speaking about the Harihar Fort trek, and this is a trek that you must put top in your trekking list. For more information about the trek itself, you can go to our website. Under the DIY section, you will find the complete documentation along with the GPS track, which is downloadable for you. For more such videos, hit subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it to get reminded of our videos. To know more about the trekking world itself, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.